The United Nations, UN, was established in 1945, aiming to promote peace, security, and cooperation among nations. Following the devastation of World War II, it became clear that international collaboration was vital to prevent future conflicts. The UN consists of various bodies, including the General Assembly, where all member states can discuss and make decisions on global issues, and the Security Council, responsible for maintaining international peace and security. The 5 permanent members, China, France, Russia, the United Kingdom, and the United States, hold significant power, including veto rights on major decisions. One of the key roles of the UN is conflict resolution. It deploys peacekeeping forces, mediates negotiations, and provides humanitarian aid in crisis situations. Additionally, the UN promotes human rights through the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, advocating for equality and justice worldwide. The organization also addresses global challenges like climate change, health crises, and poverty through various specialized agencies such as the World Health Organization and UNICEF. Understanding the UN's functions is crucial for grasping its influence on contemporary global affairs and how it strives to create a better world for all.